Hi, in this video I'm going to show you some helpful tips in working with text and show you also how to import custom fonts into CreateStudio. So to add text, simply click on the text icon up here or use Command T on your keyboard if you're on a Mac, and you can add a text layer to your canvas and then go ahead and type in your text like so. You'll be able to see when you select your text, you've also got these quick links up here to adjust the font, adjust the text alignment, center your text on the canvas. You can also turn your text into a text box by clicking on Word Wrap. And when you do this, it basically gives you some extra controls. So you can adjust the text to a text box like so. You can adjust the line spacing by dragging this control over here. You can also adjust the letter spacing by dragging this control like so. Now you can also, if I adjust the alignment like this, you'll be able to see when I type, the text is basically set inside these boundaries. You can also adjust your text to be right to left, and this is great for, I believe it's Hebrew or Arabic languages. You can do that. You can also adjust the color over here. You can add a gradient. So say you want to have a multicolor gradient, just go and adjust this like that. And if you click on the gradient bar, you can also add extra colors as well. So you can have as many colors as you like on your gradient like this. And to import custom fonts, what you can do is, if we go over to our fonts by clicking on this button here, you'll be able to see you've got your fonts here. You can download fonts from Google as well, so you can search for specific fonts, and if you like one, simply click on the download button over here and you'll be able to see it adds the font to your font layer, and also in your font library it's selected over here as well. You can favorite your fonts and you'll be able to see these are all our favorites that we've added. And if you want to import custom fonts, simply click on the plus icon over here. And what you want to do is download a font file, either a TTF, OTF, WOFF or WOFF2, and then simply click on load folder and navigate to your folder that you want to import your fonts. So I'm going to go with, let's say, this TTF one, and click on open. It will import all the fonts inside that folder and the font weights, and you can adjust the name of the weight before you import it, and also adjust the font name. So I'm going to remove the TTF here, and that looks good. And what I'm going to do is click on import. Okay, cool. So now what we can do is, if I go over to the fonts, if I just go ahead and search for that font like so, you'll be able to see it selected, and I can adjust the font weight really quickly and easily. So those are just some helpful tips in working with text inside of CreateStudio.